Now, okay, I have left you the creation of the arcs, okay, for you to explore on your own. Okay, so let us create a rectangle. Okay, I just select the rectangle tool and the ribbon. Okay, so as you can see in the command lines, it specify first corner point of the rectangle. Let's say first corner anywhere here, like for example here, and then after specifying the first point, in the command line specify other corner point of the rectangle. So I just click here anywhere here. Okay, so rectangle again. Okay, here. Okay, so like for example, I wanted to draw a rectangle with specific length and height. Okay, so I'll just provide or I'll just input the rectangle tool, specify the first corner. Okay, and then uh, the first inputting value, let's say 2555.1823. So this is the horizontal value. Okay, and the 1400.9678 will be the height or the vertical value. Okay, so let's say this is 500 units. I'll just press the tab key, say the height is 300, so I'll just type in 300 and then press enter. Okay, so the rectangle drawn has a length of 500 and has a height of uh, 300. Okay, so I'll just draw another rectangle. Okay, so let's say this is 200 for the length, the height or the width. Let's say this is 600. Enter. Okay, so this is the 200 and this is the 600 value. Okay, so you may want to explore the rectangle tool. Okay, on your own, let's say 300 by 300, that becomes a square. Okay, so you can explore the rectangle tool by following the procedures I have provided you.